Hello friend, this is SurajBaviskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel SurajBaviskar Trading. Today in IPO review section, we are going to discuss Maxposure Ltd IPO. Maxposure Ltd is a modern media and entertainment company that provides comprehensive services across various distribution platforms. The company focuses on four main pillars: in-flight entertainment, content marketing, technology, and advertising. Maxposure Limited company is trying to raise 20.26 crores of funds from IPO market, which is listing on 22nd of January. This Maxposure Limited IPO is opening on 15 January and closing on 17 January. So lot size is 4,000 shares and IPO price range is 31 to 33 rupees per share. So total amount 33 into 4,000 equal to 1,32,000 amount you have to allocate if you want to apply for Maxposure Limited IPO. IPO listing will be on 22nd of January. Basis of allotment will be on 18 January. Either initiation of refund or credit of shares to demat account will be on 19th of January. So this IPO is listing on NSEs. And financial information of Maxposure Limited company is revenues has increased tremendously from 20 crores to 31 crores, and expense and profit, PAT, profit and loss after tax, that is 35 to 36 lakhs to 4.48 crores. So profit has increased a lot in last year, but we need to see for the year or two how company is going to perform. This review is for education purpose only. I am not SEBI registered advisor. Consult your financial advisor before applying IPO. Thank you guys for watching this one. Do subscribe my channel, do comments and give me a suggestion if you want to add something into these videos. I'm more than happy to help.